story. Cause you love to have him all crying. Gonna be sweet there, telling me.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So, Sunday breakfast is always a must, always rocking over here. Hubby looks forward to it every week, and I feel like for the most part, it goes down, right? Whether I'm doing a hash brown casserole, the eggs, and the sausage and the bacon, and all the things, right? This particular Sunday, though, we wanted pancakes. So I was like, yeah, we haven't done that in a minute. So let's do that quick and fast, right? Just simple, right? And I'm usually making breakfast when hubby is food shopping on his me time, right? I like to be in here by myself. Sometimes Sid is rocking with me, or Kara, there she is. But for the most part, I'm in here. I keep the lights low, right? And it's just very calm, and I'm binge watching something. So it's perfect. And this is the basic mix. I didn't do it from scratch, but I added a couple things, right? I used some milk instead of water in there. I melted the butter. So the batter was just really good, right? And threw some cinnamon in there. Now I want to use blueberries. We haven't done those in a while. So yeah, I didn't have to do anything to the stove, right? I kept my cover over it because I'm using the air fryer. That to me is quick and fast. So just spraying that down a little bit. And yeah, I'm going to just do 3 and 3. And I usually only eat one. Sydney, maybe 1.5. Sydney, maybe 1.5. Hubby's the big guy, so he may do a couple more. But for the most part, we keep it simple. And Miss Cara girl is not rocking. She is not rocking at all. So, she won't. Oh my goodness. I am hoping that she grows out of this. She will try foods, and then if she like it, she'll ask for more. If not, she'll say, I don't want any more pancakes, right? So that's how she rolls. But yeah, these are just the frozen blueberries, right? And I was trying to use the spoon at first. Girl, that wasn't working. They would have been all over the place rolling off the spoon. So I just threw them on there, right? And yeah, I was good to go.
But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real good?
I do kind of spray the top, right, with a little bit of the butter spray. And I only flip my pancakes one time. I don't do the back and forth. I feel like once I start to see that little bubble pop up, it's time for me to flip. I know that they're done. Oops. I know that they're done, but yeah, it's quick and fast always. You know how I'm always just trying to make things easier for me. And this week was, it was a week, right? So yes, on my Ray Dunn pancake holder, just throwing those right on in. I'm gonna you see me take that piece and eat it. Oh my goodness. Yes. So there we go. Quick and fast. No blueberry?
No blueberry today.
No blueberry today? Okay.
The top.
As for me and hubby, we were definitely rocking the blueberry, right? So I actually had to make more because Sydney decided she didn't want blueberries. So I didn't even record that part, but yeah, I had to make her more of her own. So this right here is just some ribs I decided to make. Hubby had these rocking, so I said let me cook these right on up. But again, I didn't want to be over the stove and doing all the things, so I just threw them in the crock pot. Yes, on that. A couple different seasonings, some from Trader, some of my staples, some from Dollar Tree. So When I say, and I am I am smacking myself right now because I don't know what happened to the footage of the after once it was all said and done, right? I don't know what happened to it. Oh my goodness. But they were falling off the bone so good. Ribs are Sydney's favorite. So we try to do those once a month, maybe get those in, right? It is her it is her 100% her fave. So yes on that. I'm just going to top this, right? Some more, all the seasoning is in there, good. I'm going to throw the lid on there, right? So I'm a little more sauce, throw the lid on, and we going to cook that, right? Yes on that. So I saw this in Dollar Tree, the smoked Gouda, right? Mac and cheese rocking. So this is to a quick and fast. And let me tell you, I did not add my normal right, seasonings to this. I wanted it to be just what it was, right? Especially with Sydney eating it too, and it was a different type of cheese we were rocking. So I just I wanted to keep it simple. I didn't want to have to remake anything. So it wasn't mine. Little bit on the blander side because I didn't put all the good in it, but it was still a good 100%. Would definitely rock this again. But you see how quick and fast this was, right? And that is what I was going for. I'm always trying to make things easier for me, right? So yes on that. So yes, on the chicken parm, I didn't know what I was going to do with the chicken. I thought about doing roasted red peppers, right, with the spinach sauteed and garlic and things, with the mozz cheese, right? And then I was like, darn it, I don't have any roasted red peppers. So it was like process of elimination, trying to figure out what I was going to do. Then I was getting ideas from different folk, right? And I said, oh, I could do the chicken parm. Yes, this is perfect. I have all the things for that, right? Just some seasoning, some cheese, and all the good, right? So that's what it was. And yeah, so just seasoning, the chicken with my staples, right, that I love to use, right? So yeah, front and back, Hershey is always rocking when I'm in here, right? She sometimes she sits, sometimes she, walks around probably waiting for me to drop something, right, so she can snatch it and run. Oh my goodness. So I just took 2 plates. I wanted to be quick and fast with it, right? And throwing that in here. And I'm just going to season that right on up with like the parm cheese and everything and all of the same seasonings. And then I'm going to beat 2 eggs in a separate plate. And then, we'll be good to go. Coming down too strong. Cause I want you. It is hard to resist cause I need you. I'm showing you that double yolk that was in there. And you know what's crazy? That whole carton of eggs, maybe half of them had double yolks in them. I was really surprised. So I'm just going to dip the chicken breast in the egg mixture and then, into the breadcrumbs, right? So if you notice, I'm only doing the one side. I don't want the other side breaded at all. So yeah, this was perfect. I just dipped those in there and I'm going to toss them in and yeah, we'll be rocking. I believe ya, hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to your clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can So I was just gathering a couple things, right? The mozzarella cheese. I just wanted to put it in a bowl, and you'll see later I needed a little bit more, right, to just top it off a little bit. But yeah, I wanted to, just prepare all of that. So when it comes out of the oven, I can top it off. And yeah, and I wanted to kind of doctor up the Rayo's a little bit. I mean, honestly, the Rayo's is always rocking. It is always fire. So this was one I had left over. So that was perfect. I didn't have to open up a new jar, but I did want to put a couple things in here. So I love sugar in my spaghetti sauce. So, and then just the same, the other seasonings, but I do love sugar in it. It doesn't make it sweet, but I like it. So it's just perfect, right? So me and Sid are about to make this salad. Some cheese.
Go tonight, go tonight, go tonight. Go tonight, go tonight. Go tonight, go tonight, go tonight. Thank you. Jackie. Let's go. Go, girl. Yes. Nice job tonight. Wait.
You want me to help?
Yes.
Ever, next baby, turn it down, make it sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind.
So the girl's home health aide is sitting off to the side, right? So her name is Yvonne, but Sid named her Solange. I don't know where that came from, or so the whole family, we all call her that now, right? Oh my goodness. But she was like high-fiving her because she told her good job and things, So just in case you were wondering who was off to the side.
Now plug. Thank you, mommy.
So I did ask Sydney whether she wanted chicken parm or pizza. I wanted to make sure that she had a choice, but she was all about the pizza. And I feel like it was because Kara was eating pizza. She likes to mimic Kara, but her palate is a little bit better than Kara. I'm hoping that she grows out of it soon. I was saying earlier, Sydney was very... she was the same way with food, but she broke out of it, right? So she tries the different things. She eats, more like we eat, which I'm grateful for. But Kara, she'll get there. But yeah, so I pulled them out. I topped them, right? I threw them back in. The oven is not on. I'm just letting the cheese melt. So boom, there you go on that. Oh my goodness, it was so good. So I took the pasta from the Dollar Tree. We've had this a few times. It is definitely rocking. And I just wanted to throw, some butter in there. I didn't need the olive oil. I was going to use that, and then I decided to use the butter instead. So yeah, throwing that garlic in there and just, it was so good. It was so good. And it's quick and fast. Like this was, relatively simple to do, right? As long as everything was thought out for me and I was ready, you know, I was good to go.
That Friday, you take it all night. Show ya. Show me the car where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Pick it off. Why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off? Why I like when you say it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. That Friday, you take it all night. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. That Friday, you take it all night.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure if I told you.
Yeah, we talked about it yesterday.
Do you want red sauce?
As opposed to,
Like this.
no, sauce.
Okay. Get this bag from her. Please, please. Only because she gonna get it.
Go back.
Just move it back, son.
This?
Mm-hmm. Actually, it's trash. All right, you guys, so that is a wrap on this one. Hubby wanted that red sauce. I can't rock. I have to watch that. So, yeah, it was really good. Everybody's, all bellies were full and we were good to go. So, look at that. Oh, my goodness. It was so good. Just the right amount of crisp on the top, right? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye.